So I'm ready to get started. I'm going to make my little chandelier for the bathroom. I already sprayed the picture frame silver, but as I get ready to glue them, guys, I'm going to turn it this way so I can glue it because this side is going to go to the back of the wall. So on the larger size, I'm going to do silver, and on the side, I'm going to do black. And when I get done, I'll hang it up and show you. I'm just going to glue it, guys. I try to just show you guys the bread and butter. I'm just going to glue it. A long time was cutting these, and now I'm just going to glue it, and the next time you guys see it, it'll be hanging up. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so this is the finishing look. So I'm just going to get an LED light from the dollar store and put it up. That's actually a fan. It's around, but yeah, my little bathroom decorations. I'm a little weird, different. So I took a corset, guys, and stapled it to the wall, put some flowers, and did a little mask up there. And these is some rose petals that was pink. I spray painted, and I just wanted that sexy look. I just wanted that little sexy look in the bathroom. So, and these is coffee filters, and I sprayed them and put them around a empty shrink wrap roller. But yeah, that is my finishing look. I'm just gonna put an LED light up there, guys. So you guys have an awesome day. Bye bye. To show you guys the back of the bathroom wall. So I took a little picture, and I say that's me and my future husband walking around, and that's that. And then I down at the bottom just took ruffles and ruffled it around. So everybody decorate the way you like, and sometimes my decorations a little weird, but I like it, guys. But this is my bathroom. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.